sandwiches. Today I am going to make my favorite food, which is Chinese chicken noodles. The ingredients you need are cooked noodles, chicken, carrot, leeks, beans, capsicum, onions, green chilies, salt, pepper powder, soy sauce, and sauce and margarine. Add some oil to make it this making. And oil today. Making with a pan. Garlic and onion and green chili. So many things for you now. Internet. Some every day to now. Some of the swimming yesterday cooking show. Every day now, just one now. Some you guys enjoy, every day things now, just one you guys enjoy for now this day. Yeah, good job everyone, every day to making every day hotel, we make the fried chicken to making and the serve to making and the serve you guys enjoy for every day to making this. To making by KFC partner type the partner KFC and every day today I'm going to serve you guys everything you know. Just want put the little this is spoon and everyday serve. That's it. Wow, get food made everyday serve. Every day you will get some money. Every day sale. Just so you know, you're every day sale. We get some.
Jeffrey.
Oh, okay.
Now, chicken recipes to these to making and so you guys enjoy. And now, internet. And now, just want every day now, just want you every day. Scrambled egg to margarine and butter, and now in the everyday internet, so everyday to internet. Pink salt, like that, pepper, yeah, good job everyone, yeah. And now we're making scrambled complete egg. Apply that margarine every day to every day. Wow! Every day is making a sambo and making butter. And slide and carrot, onion every day, yeah. That'll fine every day. Every day, make it safe. Add some chili paste to making every day. Ingredients to making egg, adding egg, add chicken, add chicken to making every. Noodles, and now check it Chinese noodles to making great and cooking noodles, the cooking noodles there. Tasting time. I'm making a chicken noodles to making and the sauce in now. Very tasty. Every day and fat orange barley. Thank you for watching today new episodes. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Till I meet you next time. Bye.
2 hours later.
The fruit.